Hey crypto fam! Ever heard of bitwala? It's this platform that promises the world buy, sell, store your crypto, even get a virtual IBAN for easy euro transactions. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what we're here to figure out today. Is bitwala the next big crypto haven, or just another website preying on unsuspecting investors? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of bitwala. Cryptocurrency, a wild west with good guys and bad guys. Let's face it, the crypto world can be a jungle. There are amazing projects pushing innovation and financial freedom. But there are also a ton of scams lurking in the shadows, waiting to snatch your hard-earned cash. That's why it's crucial to be extra cautious before jumping into any new platform. So, is bitwala a legitimate player in this wild west, or just another tumbleweed blowing by? Investigating bitwala, from claims to credentials. Bitwala throws a lot at you. They claim to be a one-stop shop for all your crypto needs, buying, selling, storing, even letting you manage your euros with a virtual IBAN. Sounds convenient, but convenience doesn't guarantee legitimacy. So, let's dissect their claims and see if they hold up. Security, the bedrock of trust. First things first, security. In the crypto world, if your platform can't keep your funds safe, it's a deal breaker. Bitwala offers both custodial and self-custodial wallets. Custodial wallets mean bitwala holds onto your private keys, while self-custodial puts the responsibility on you. Both have pros and cons, but the key is control. Digging deeper, regulations and red flags. Now, let's talk regulations. Bitwala claims to be regulated in Europe. That's a good sign, but not all regulations are created equal. We need to find out which authority oversees them and what their reputation is. Here's where a little research goes a long way. Look for independent reviews and see if any red flags pop up. Companies with a history of shady practices tend to leave a trail. Trading options, too good to be true. Bitwala also throws in trading options. This can be a great feature for experienced crypto enthusiasts, but be wary. Some platforms use trading options as a smokescreen for riskier, unregulated activities. Do your due diligence. Understand exactly what these trading options entail before putting your money on the line. The verdict, proceed with caution or not at all. So, is bitwala a scam? We can't definitively say yes or no. They have some features that seem legit, like the regulated euro accounts. But the lack of clarity on specific regulations and the mention of trading options raise some eyebrows. Here's the bottom line: if you're a crypto newbie, bitwala might be a bit overwhelming and potentially risky. There are established, well-regulated platforms out there that cater to beginners. The crypto journey, knowledge is power. The best advice we can give? Educate yourself. Learn about crypto wallets, security best practices, and different platforms before diving in. There are fantastic resources online and even crypto communities where you can ask questions and get advice from experienced users. Remember, your crypto is your responsibility. Don't let anyone take advantage of you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto adventures.